Welcome to General Psychology course educational channel, which is developed by Tamaskin Tadela. General Psychology course, Chapter 2 covers sensation and perception. So there is a self-check assessment questions here. The types of items, true false questions. Question number 1. Perception is an exact translation of our sensory experiences into neutral activity. Question number 2. Sublimation. Perception typically influences our behavior. Question number 3. The visible spectrum of light differs across species. Number 4. The lens of the eye changes shape depending on whether light conditions are bright or dim. Question number 5. Although we perceive objects as an unified wholes, different parts of our brains process different kinds of visual information, such as shape, color, and motion. Question number 6. We perceive depths only because we have two slightly different views from our eyes. Question number 7. As we age or as we get old, we tend to lose hearing for low-pitched sounds more than high-pitched sounds. Number 8. All sensory signals are consciously perceived. Sensory adaptations occurs when sensory perception changes their sensitivity to a stimuli over time. 8. Tactile adaptation refers to the adaptation of skin perceptors to constant pressure or vibration stimuli, resulting in a decrease in perceived intensity. 9. Sensory adaptation is a characteristic of all sensory systems. Next, sensory adaptation commonly occurs in pain receptors. Question number 11. Size constancy refers to the perception of an object as maintaining the same size despite changing images on retina. 12. Shape constancy occurs when we perceive a familiar object as maintaining the same shape regardless of the image produced on the retina. Question number 13. Perceptual illusion refers to the misperception of the true characteristics of an object or an image. Question number 14. The fundamental problem of depth perception results from the nature of the retina. Number 15. The pictorial depth cues such as linear perspective, texture gradient, and relative size are all available form of flat two-dimension images or pictures. 16. Motion parallax serves as a cue to an object's distance from the observer. Question number 17. Perceptual constancy reflects the understanding that objects remain the same despite changes in their appearances, such as shape, size, brightness, and color. Question number 18. Color constancy enables us to recognize color's consistency even when the wavelength content of the daylight changes. Question number 19. Size constancy refers to our ability to perceive an object size as constant regardless of its distance from us. Question number 20. Even if a friend is far away, we still perceive them as the same size based on contextual cues. Question number 21. Shape constancy allows us to recognize familiar objects from different viewpoints. Question number 22. Weber's law states that our sensitivity to a change in a stimulus decreases as the magnitude of the stimulus increases. Question number 23. The just noticeable difference, which is JND, is the minimum amount that the magnitude of a stimulus has to be changed in order for a stimulus change to be noticeable. Question number 24. The Weber fraction is a constant that describes the percent change necessary to detect a change in a stimulus at all magnitudes of the stimulus. Thank you.